So students, today we will be discussing chapter number 22, On the Move Again. Now in this chapter you will get to know few topics which will be sensitive. Sensitive means which you need to take with emotions. You have to understand as a human being what can be go through to some other people, like what can happen in the society, what is happening all around us. All these things you should take with your emotions and understanding. In this video I will be asking few questions also that you need to write in your EVS copy, and the answer should be from yourself. In your own words you have to write the answer. So we will start this chapter with sensitiveness, understanding, emotion and an open mind. Let's start. Dhanu's village. Today all the relatives have come to Dhanu's house to celebrate Dashera. We all know Dashera is a festival. In India, the Hindus, they celebrate Dashera with full festivity and full energy. They have come with their luggage in their bullock cart. Now all the relatives of Dhanu have come to celebrate Dashera with all their luggage. Dhanu's father is the eldest in the family. He is the eldest member of his family. So all the festivals are celebrated at their house. So you know why they have come to their house, because Dhanu's father is the eldest and everybody, the relatives of their house, their family, they come to their house to celebrate the festival usually. Dhanu's mother, I means mother, okay. Dhanu's mother, the wife of mother's brother, Mami, and the wife of father's brother, Kaki, are busy making puran poli, sweet rotis made from jaggery and gram. Along with this, a spicy curry dish is also made. What they are making? They are making puran poli. Puran poli is a kind of roti which is sweet and which is made out of jaggery and gram flour. And along with that, they are also making a curry which is very spicy. The day passes in laughing and chatting, but by evening everyone's mood changes. The women and children begin to pack their luggage. The men sit down with Mukadam, agent who lends money for the meeting. The Mukadam gives the detail of the loan taken by each family. Like from the morning they are celebrating, but at the evening they are packing their luggage, and also there is an agent that is known as Mukadam in their language who lends money, from whom you can borrow money. That person is the agent. The Mukadam gives the detail of the loan taken by each family. He comes to each and every family and he gives the detail that how much money is they are going to pay. So their mood gets a bit off. Then the talks for the next few months begin. The Mukadam explained to the villagers in which area they would go for the next 6 months. He also gives them some money as loan for their expenses. Ever since Dhanu remembers, this has been the routine. So this is the routine. They celebrate, they live happily, they laugh, they chat, and then when the Mukadam come, he says all about the money that they have been borrowed, and also where they can go for the next 6 months. Means they have to shift from where they are living right now. They have to shift so that they can survive, and also they can earn so they can pay back to the agent, that is Mukadam. Mukadam usually explained to the villager that in which area they can go for the next 6 months, they can do the farming. Families like Dhanus work on the land of big farmers till Dashera before the rainy season. So when it happens before the rainy season means Dashera marks before the rainy season. Now the families like Dhanu, they don't have their own land. They work on the land of big farmers. So they have to be on the move, means they have to shift from time to time so that they can have a job. Many other families also work on such land. The families like Dhanus, they earn just enough money to keep them going through these months. Through these months, they have enough money so that they can survive, but time to time they have to change their job because because of the season. According to the season, they have farming, and according to that, they have jobs. But how to manage the remaining 6 months when there is no rain and no work in the field? So everyone borrow money from the Mukaddam. To pay back this money, they have to work for the Mukaddam. Mukaddam is an agent for sugarcane factories. He helps them to find work in sugarcane field. Now about the agent. Suppose they are working for 6 months and the next 6 months they don't have any work on the field. Then from where they will get the money? Then this agent come, that is the Mukaddam, the agent, he lend the money to this kind of family, and he is actually related with the sugarcane factories. The agent, the Mukaddam, is an agent for the sugarcane factory, and he helped these poor farmers or these poor families to find a job for the next 6 months in maybe sugarcane field. If they can find a work for them, they can earn a bit of money and then they can pay back to the agent because the agent have lent money to them. So in this way they have to survive. There is no fixed job for this kind of people or this kind of family. So you can imagine, like, they have so much trouble in their life. 6 months, for 6 months they have a work, and then for the next 6 months they have to shift from another job, and like this they have to survive. Now few questions. Did all the farmers in Dhanus village have their own land? Now you have to imagine, in Dhanus village, do all of them have their own land? Just like Dhanu's family, they don't have their own land. Similarly, few other people, it is mentioned in the book, other families also are the same. During what time of the year did Dhanu's family get work in the village? During what time did they do not have work? Now, the timing is mentioned according to the season. When the season change, they do not have work. And for the 6 months, about what season they have work, you have to write this answer by yourself. You will get it from the book and from the explanation we have as far done. Do you know of any family like Dhanus who have to leave their village for months in search of work? Look around yourself. You might find someone or maybe few people who have to do this. They have to move from one place to another in search of work. Think and find out. If people in Dhanu's village did not leave the village in search of work, what difficulties would they face in their own village? Suppose Dhanu and his family does not want to leave their home or does not want to leave the village where they are living. Then what difficulties they might face? Then they will not have any job to do, they will not have money, and what other difficulties with that they will face if they do not leave the village and go to other place where they can find the job? In Dhanu's village, there can be no farming when there is no rain. Do you think farming can be done even without rainwater? How? With rainwater, we can do farming, but without rainwater, how farming can be done? This you should know, because there are many other ways by which we can do farming even without the rainfall. So now there are many ways, but Dhanu's village does not have that facility. In the next few months, Dhanu, his parents, his kaka, father's brother, and his two elder children, his mama, mami, and their two daughters, and 40-50 other families from the village will stay away from home. Now you can see how many of them have to leave the village and go to other place to have the work. How many? Dhanu, his parents, kaka kaki, their children, mama mami, their two daughters, 40-50 other families. In these 6 months, Dhanu and many children like him will not be able to go to school, because they are moving from the village, so they cannot go to the village school. Dhanu's old grandmother, aunt who cannot see, and 2-month-old cousin sister would stay back in the village. Now few members of their family who cannot go to any other place, because first of all they are not fit and they are very small, just like the old grandmother, aunt who cannot see, and 2-month-old cousin. They have to stay back in the village. In other homes too, the old and the ill people stay behind, because they cannot work, so they have to stay in the village. Dhanu misses his grandmother a lot. Dhanu always keeps wondering who will take care of his grandmother. But what can Dhanu do? They have to leave the village and go to other place. They have to move from one place to another to have a job, to earn money so that they can survive. And Dhanu misses his grandmother. Of course he will, because they are the part of a family. But the ill and the old have to stay back, because they cannot work. Even if they go with them, she will not be able to work. So they have to stay back in the village. So now you can imagine their struggle. We must understand that we are very much lucky to have a life like this. But many people doesn't have this life where they can stay at their home, they can study, they can have whatever they want. We all should actually look around us. There is so much struggle. There are so many people who need help. There are so many people who are struggling with their jobs. There are children who cannot study well. Even if they want to, they cannot go to school. So we should think about it, and we should do something for the society, whatever we can. Now we have to think about few things. Dhanu's family and many other people from the village go far away for work. But some people stay back in the village. Why does this happen? I have already explained and we have discussed about this. You have to write the answer by your own. Let's see what you can write in your own words. When Dhanu and other children leave the village for 6 months, what happens in the village school? You can imagine, if the children are leaving with their family to work with them, what can happen to the village school when there is no child to study? What arrangements are made at your home for old and unwell family member when everyone goes to work? Well, in our families, when everyone goes to work, the old and unwell family members, what do? They stay back at home. What other arrangement you have made, or we have seen other people to make at their home, so they can live nicely and healthily? So you have to think about few things regarding this chapter. You need to attain sensibility. sensitively you have to think about all such things which are happening all around us. So hopefully you have learned something from this video. Thank you. Stay safe, study hard.